Did they have to like pick it or something?
No, they had let all of them go.
Okay.
Oh, Lord. No way too.
No, baby, I don't think they are. They just don't eat all rough and rough like we do, baby. The hell? Huh? They were over there.
I want everybody to sit here looking hungry and stuff. I can't let it. So I feel like I get a lot of them.
Yeah. Oh, my bad. There you go. Thank you. Thank you, Ivy. Come on, let's get you in. Come back here. Baby, it's okay.
Our body is now trying to digest and using all that energy to.
During a certain time.
Can you get that?
Get what? I want to know.
It's getting annoying.
It's getting annoying?